Juvenile blue tangs are bright yellow and change to blue or purplish as they mature. Octopus arms have a mind of their own. They have, literally, a lot of heart. Most donkeys have a cross-shaped stripe on their backs, formed by dorsal and shoulder stripes. Some species, like the saltwater crocodile, hold the record for the largest living reptiles. Crab. Some crabs use tools, like coconut shells, as mobile homes to protect themselves from predators. Adult goblin sharks are usually 10 to 13 feet long, but can grow as big as 20 feet. Seals sleep both on land and in the water, sometimes staying partially underwater. Sawfish have spiral valves in their intestines to increase nutrient absorption, similar to sharks. Some sharks, like the Greenland shark, can live for over 390 years, making them the longest living vertebrates. A turtle's shell is part of its skeleton, made up of over 50 bones, including its spine and ribs. Turtles cannot leave their shells as the shell grows with them throughout their lives. Giraffes only drink water every few days and must spread their legs or bend down to reach it. Cows drink up to 100 liters of water daily, nearly the volume of a bathtub. Horseshoe crabs have been around for over 445 million years, making them older than dinosaurs. Snails do not have a spinal column. Their body is soft, slimy, and unsegmented. Lion. Lions live in prides and use teamwork to hunt large prey. Starfish. Starfish can regenerate an entire new body from just a single arm and part of their central disc. Ducks can see nearly 340 degrees around them without turning their heads. Baby ducks are covered in soft down feathers, not actual feathers at birth. Some frogs, like the wood frog, survive freezing winters by stopping their heartbeat and allowing ice to form inside their bodies, then thawing and resuming life in spring. Many stingrays hide by burying themselves under sand with only their eyes showing. Hermit crabs mold their exoskeletons periodically to grow, requiring specific habitat conditions. Chameleons live mostly in trees and bushes in warm climates. Squids have long bodies and tentacles with suckers. They can swim fast and squirt ink to escape danger. Both male and female walruses have large tusks that can grow up to a meter long and are used for dominance, defense, and climbing out of water. Dolphins have multiple stomach chambers for efficient digestion of whole prey swallowed head first.